today I'm back. Project update lang sa Saekyung Ocean Residences. So I'm here sa actual site. So mo ni ato ang update sa Saekyung Ocean. So nahuman na jud ang ilahang road diri sa atubangan. And then nag-start na silang painting. Kita nimo sa lower floors na anay initial coating sa paint. So structurally topped off na gyud siya. So indot kaayo. So we have available units here pa jud. This front space is your commercial area. So we are here in the second floor area sa ilahang showroom. So makita nato dari ang ilahang full swing construction jud. So nag second floor na sila sa ilang commercial spaces here. Na diay tay 3 types of units nga available here. Nata studio unit with an area of 28.98 square meters. 1 bedroom unit with an area of 58.50 square meters. And a 3 bedroom units with an area of 92.50 square meters. And right now, I will show you the model unit of this project. prices is all in. So there's a lot of freebies kung mukuha mo diri. So free transfer charges, free refrigerator, free aircon, free range hood, free cabinet, and free assistance sa Pag-ibig financing. So this is available Pag-ibig or bank financing. Nasa tayo deferred cash dere. And what's nice here is ang ilahang parking area is not for sale. So kung naamoy unit dere, natay privilege nga makapark sa ilahang parking slots. So mao na ato ang project update diri sa Saekyung Ocean Residences. So if you are interested to check this unit personally, so feel free to contact me. Contact details in the description. And also full details is also linked in the comment or in the description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.